sheet 3. So hi guys, so this vlog is gonna be about Beatrice sleeping at my place. So do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Beatrice.
Hey, no, don't. Just say some fun facts about yourself.
Fun facts.
Just say some fun facts about yourself.
Like what?
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. You're going to introduce yourself. You're going to just say, hi, my name is Beatrice, and here are some things that I like, here's are some things that I dislike. See, this is what we call fun facts right here. Okay, next. Introduce yourself, please.
So, fun facts. Okay, fun facts. Wow, 这样咯. Must tell you something very...
Just say I like K-pop.
No. Must be something very deep. That one is very obvious one. People know one. I must tell you something very deep one. It's very dark secret one. Okay, I must tell you first one. I don't live with her. Oh, it's dark secret. It's cut that away. Hello, my name is Beatrice, and I like K-pop. I am a design student, as you can see. Wow! As you can see.
Ooh. So on my laptop, on my very dirty laptop, as you can see from the laptop screen, we're gonna watch Parasite, the movie. So we're gonna see whether it's worth the hype or not. So stay tuned for some of our reactions to it, I guess. So just for the occasion, I brought truffle chips to eat with Beatrice, and I've tried them before. It's actually really delicious.
아차타 제시카 외동딸 리노 시카고 거선배는 인지모 보낼리사좀.
How was the movie?
Good movie. Because it's very trippy and like there's a lot of... Okay, not say a lot, but there's like the plot twist, the way the story just changes halfway. Like it's like, oh yeah. So just watch it, you know, just if you want to get your minds blown and if you like scary stuff.
But it's not a horror movie though. Oh well.
Yeah, but technically it is.
Okay, it had me scared at one scene.
Yeah, you ran to the bathroom and you screamed in there. Wow, I was just like, oh yes.
So I'm just gonna read the instructions real quick since I don't really know how to play this game. Higher?
I said liar.
I really don't.
Alright, sure.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so how do you play Exploding Kit? Oh,
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
how do you play Exploding Kittens? You suspect the top card in the draw pile is an Exploding Kitten, so instead of passing And then drawing a card to end your turn, you decide to... wait. This is not the beginning. How it works. In the deck of cards are some Exploding Kittens. You play the game by putting the game... Yeah, this looks pretty complex. You know what? Since I don't know the game at all, I'm like a virgin at this. I'm just gonna have the guide right next to me. Like right next to me.
First of all, currently everybody has a diffuse. The diffuse is just for
If you happen to get an Exploding Kitten, you can continue playing. If you have the diffuse, it's like a lifeline. It's just like, it's like safe lah, like one chance life only. So if you don't have diffuse and you happen to get Exploding Kitten, then you explode now, then game's over.
Okay, so I just placed 2 of the same cards, which means I get to draw 1 card from Beatrice. I hope that's a really good card. I'm gonna go with this one.
And
I'm bad at shuffling, so please don't question my shuffling skills. Yeah, I'm not fast either.
It's okay, I'm bad at shuffling too.
a few moments later.
Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm terrible at shuffling too. But yeah, I think I'm not so bad as Beatrice.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
Beatrice has put a shuffle card. I will now explain why. Like when I saw the first 3 cards, it was like super sway. So I already like put the see into the future cards so to see like the first 3 cards. And you know what I saw? It's damn sway. It's legit damn sway. You know what I saw? Like aside from the card I took.
Exploding Kitten. Watermelon.
So we're just gonna head to bed right now because it's pretty late. It's like
12:53.
yeah. And I think you can tell from my face I'm very tired. Oh, Beatrice says bullshit. Good night, me love.
Okay.
The next day.
So hi guys, it is day 2 of the sleepover and Beatrice and I are leaving my house right now to go for an escape room as well as to try out the Wee Bebe Cafe in Singapore. So yeah, we're pretty excited about that. So stay tuned for that. So we've arrived.
Sweaty.
Here at the cafe and we're going to order. Oh no, I'm so out. Quite sad, but it's okay. So how's your drink?
Okay, tastes like latte.
But like what exactly did they put in your latte though? Like what's this ice?
It's like whipped cream.
Oh. Beatrice cutting our burger in half because we're going to share this main. Because as you can see, the proportions are really huge. Thank you.
I'm like a wife, so wife in the family slash the husband.
You've been my wife ever since like it's been 4 years since you've been my wife. How does that make you feel?
It's a very hard job. That's why I prefer my husband.
Whoa, it looks really nice. I think there's teriyaki chicken inside. Yeah, it's really nice. I can taste the chicken and the bun, everything. It's very crunchy. The bun feels like a char shao bao bun though, but like it's a really good twist. It's a really good fusion food. This is really good fusion food if you think about it. I definitely would 100% recommend it. It's just that the price is a bit ex for me lah. Then some more like the proportions are like pretty huge. To find that like we had to share. But I think like if they sold this by itself, it's really nice. Like can you see that? So now we're heading to the escape room now. And yeah, we also just returned from the cafe and we bought some merch. Alright, hey guys. So Beatrice and I actually returned from the escape room. And it was pretty fun actually. And we were not allowed to film inside because they didn't allow our mobile phones or like so. Everything, including my mobile phone, was in our locker room, so I didn't get to film. The escape room was still pretty fun though. It's just we got like really stuck on the first room, but somehow we still managed to make it halfway through, which I think was great progress, I guess, maybe. So, but anyways, I had a lot of fun today. To be honest, I just want to say thank you to my 13 subscribers for showing me so much support, and you know, it just really means a lot to me because I don't think I just want to do this for fun. I think I want to do to truly pursue this as a passion. So it really means a lot to me for you guys to, you know, keep viewing my videos, liking and commenting on my videos, and maybe even subscribing to me. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I love you guys. And yeah, I guess this concludes our sleepover. So I will see you guys soon in the next video. Stay tuned.